This is a 2007 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This SUV has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 3.7-liter V6, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Features include a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, cruise control, a CD player, a Sentry key theft deterrent system, a passenger side vanity mirror, privacy glass, an anti-lock braking system, a power driver's seat, and aluminum wheels. This Jeep has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Every Sheehy Select used vehicle comes with a 3-day money-back guarantee, 60-day 2,000-mile warranty, passes a state inspection and our 175-point inspection system, and comes with a Carfax vehicle report.